Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add Klarna to Shopify store. It is really easy now. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to head over to your apps section and head over to your app store. Basically, you need to simply search in here for Klarna, and eventually once you do that, you will be able to see that various results are gonna be showing up. You have your Klarna on-site messaging creator platform, and you can go with any of these features that you would like, or what you can do is simply head over to their official site and you can install it from there as well. Now the pricing and plans is going to be something that you can check on through their platform. And yeah, I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. You can also head over to your settings, and from there you can add your payment system as well. So thank you so much for watching and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.